In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and clicking on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow. Tap on Start Transcribing or select Not Now. And wait, you can always change your mind by clicking on one of those options. Now, to pause or unpause your recording, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one when recording is on. To delete it right away, pause it and use this X. And to end it and save it, this check mark. Now to play your recording, click on it. And to manage it, click on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Settings. If you want to, you can also hold it here and use all of those options, like rename. To get rid of it, tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!